Good morning, students. Let's start. Third type of quadrilateral when two adjacent sides and three angles are known. Come to exercise 4.3. Question number 1. Construct the following quadrilaterals. First part quadrilateral MORE. Here MO equal to 6 cm, OR equal to 4.5 cm, angle M equal to 60 degree, angle O equal to 105 degree, angle R equal to 105 degree. So let us draw a rough sketch of this quadrilateral. Here M, O, R, E. Write the dimensions. Now let's start the construction. Draw MO equal to 6 centimeter. Draw a line segment MO equal to 6 centimeter. We center M. Draw an angle of 60 degree. Now is from O. Draw an angle of 105 degree. We center O. And radius 4.5 centimeter. Cut an arc on ray OY. Intersecting at R. Now we center R. Draw an angle of 105 degree. Ray RZ and MX intersect at E. Then MORE is the required quadrilateral. Come to next. Now come to second part. Quadrilateral PLAN. PL equal to 4 centimeter. LA equal to 6.5 centimeter. Angle P equal to 90 degree. Angle A equal to 110 degree. Angle N equal to 85 degree. So draw a rough sketch of this quadrilateral P L A N. Write down the dimensions. Angle P is 90 degree. Angle A equal to 110 degree. angle N equal to 85 degree, PL equal to 4 centimeter, LA equal to 6.5 centimeter. Here in this quadrilateral, angle L is not given. So we can't construct this quadrilateral. For constructing this, first of all, find the value of angle L. Then we know property of quadrilateral, that is by angle sum property of quadrilateral, angle P plus angle L plus angle E plus angle N equal to 360 degree. Angle P is 90 degree plus angle L, you have to find out angle L, plus angle E is 110 degree, angle N equal to 85 degree equal to 360 degree. Now angle L plus 285 degree equal to 360 degree. The angle L equal to 360 degree minus 285 degree equal to angle L equal to 75 degree. Now let's start the construction. Draw PL equal to 4 centimeter. The center P, draw an angle of 90 degree. The center L, from L draw an angle of 75 degree. From L, draw an arc of radius 6.5 centimeter intersecting ray LY at A. From A, with the help of D, draw an angle of 110 degree. ray EX and AZ intersect at N. Then PLAN is a required quadrilateral. Now come to the next part, third part, parallelogram HEAR. HE equal to 5 centimeter, EA equal to 6 centimeter, angle R equal to 85 degree. Here let us draw a rough sketch of this parallelogram. HEAR. HE equal to 5 centimeter, EA equal to 6 centimeter, angle R equal to 85 degree. Now in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. In parallelogram opposite angles therefore angle E equal to angle R equal to 85 degree. Now let's start construction. Also opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Therefore HE equal to RA equal to 5 centimeter and RH equal to AE equal to 6 centimeter. Now let's start the construction. Draw HE equal to 5 centimeter. From E, draw an angle of 85 degree with the help of protractor. With center E and radius 6 centimeter, cut an arc intersecting ray EX at E with center H and radius 6 centimeter. Draw an arc with center A and radius 5 centimeter. Draw another arc intersecting previous arc at R. Join HR and AR Write the dimensions. AE 6 centimeter, HR 6 centimeter, RA 5 centimeter. Then HEAR is the required parallelogram. Come to next. Fourth part, rectangle OKAY. OK equal to 7 centimeter, KA equal to 5 centimeter. So draw a rough sketch of this rectangle OKAY. Write the dimensions. OK equal to 7 centimeter, KA equal to 5 centimeter. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Therefore, AK equal to YO equal to 5 centimeter, OR equal to YA equal to 7 centimeter. And we know that corner angle of rectangle is 90 degree. Therefore, take angle O equal to 90 degree. Now let's start the construction. Draw OK equal to 7 centimeter. From O, draw an angle of 90 degree. With center O and radius 5 centimeter. Cut an arc on ray OX intersecting it at Y. With center Y and radius 7 centimeter. Draw an arc. With center K and radius 5 centimeter. Draw another arc intersecting previous arc at A. Join AK and AY. Then OKAY is the required rectangle.